Welcome to Toolbox DIY. I'm Chris and I'm here to help you do it right when you decide to do it yourself. I have two goals with Toolbox DIY. First, I want to share my DIY knowledge with you on real projects. We're not here to discuss the hypothetical, we're here to get things done. Second, I want to introduce you to the tools that will make DIY projects much easier. I learned many years ago that not having the right tool for the job not only leads to a ton of frustration, but it just takes all the fun out of it. Once you're armed with the knowledge and the tools, DIY is not only rewarding, but it can be fun as well. Then there's the money factor. I'm a firm believer that 75% of average home projects are actually cheaper and less time consuming if you know how to do it yourself. Most Toolbox DIY videos are shot right here in the shop. Occasionally, we might be in the garage or outside or in whatever room we need to be in to get a project done. I will do my best to communicate clearly and concisely. If I do not do that, feel free to reach out in the comments section of a video. I try to answer as many questions as I can. Now, as serious as DIY can be, I cannot promise there will not be the occasional tomfoolery. There may even be some shenanigans, but there will be virtually no malarkey. Again, welcome to Toolbox DIY. I look forward to working together on your projects to get it done and done right.